Canik has solidified its reputation as one of the most reliable and affordable handgun manufacturers in the industry. Known for offering exceptional quality at an unbeatable price, Canik pistols have become a favorite among law enforcement officers, competitive shooters, and everyday gun enthusiasts. As we step into 2024, Canik continues to refine its lineup with new innovations and features designed to cater to various shooting needs. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the top 5 Canik handguns of 2024 and help you decide which model suits your shooting style and requirements. Whether you're looking for a concealed carry option, a competition-ready pistol, or a versatile all-rounder, this list has something for everyone. 1. Canik TP9 Elite SC. The TP9 Elite SC remains one of Canik's most popular models for concealed carry. With its compact size, lightweight design, and impressive capacity, the Elite SC is an excellent choice for everyday carry and the enthusiasts. Key features: barrel length 3.6 inches, overall length 6.7 inches, capacity 12+1 or 15+1 extended magazine, weight 24.78 ounces unloaded. Trigger: smooth, lightweight single-action trigger. The TP9 Elite SC continues to dominate the EDC market due to its balance of size, performance, and affordability. The pistol features Canik's signature trigger, which delivers a crisp break and short reset, rivaling higher-priced models. It also includes a reversible magazine release and ambidextrous slide stop, making it a versatile choice for left or right-handed shooters. 2. Canik Revols. Canik's Rival series has taken the competition shooting world by storm, and the Rival S is the steel-framed version of the popular polymer-based Rival. The Rival S is designed for precision shooting, offering superior weight and balance for competitive shooters. The Rival S excels in competition shooting due to its added weight and reduced recoil, resulting in improved accuracy and faster follow-up shots. Its all-steel construction not only enhances durability, but also provides a premium feel that many shooters prefer. If you're a competitive shooter or someone who values accuracy and performance above all else, the Rival S is the perfect handgun for you in 2024. 3. Canik METE SFT. The METE SET is part of Canik's premium METE series, which combines advanced ergonomics, high-capacity magazines, and enhanced aesthetics. The SET variant is a full-sized handgun designed for home defense, duty use, and recreational shooting. The METE SFT has a sleek, futuristic design and is packed with practical features. Its aggressive slide serrations and oversized beaver tail enhance handling, while the undercut trigger guard and redesigned grip ensure comfort during extended shooting sessions. What sets the METE SFT apart in 2024 is its compatibility with modern accessories. The pistol ships with a variety of optic plates, allowing seamless integration of popular red dot sights. It also includes a flared magazine well for faster reloads and a built-in mag well that improves grip ergonomics. For shooters seeking a reliable and versatile full-size pistol, the METE SFT is a standout choice. 4. Canik TP9 SFX. The TP9 SFX is a long-slide pistol that has earned its place as one of the best budget-friendly competition pistols on the market. With features typically found on premium firearms, the TP9 SFX offers incredible value for both beginners and seasoned competitors. The TP9 SFX continues to dominate the competition circuit thanks to its extended barrel and slide, which improve accuracy and sight radius. Its lightened slide features cutouts to reduce weight and improve cycling speed, while the adjustable sights and optics-ready design give shooters plenty of customization options. The SFX also includes an extended magazine release, a slide-stop lever, and interchangeable back straps, ensuring it fits a wide range of hand sizes. Despite its premium features, the TP9 SFX is competitively priced, making it an excellent entry point for aspiring competition shooters in 2024. 5. Canik Signature Series Rival Dark Side. The Signature Series Rival Dark Side is a special edition handgun that blends high-end aesthetics with unmatched performance. This pistol is for enthusiasts who want a standout firearm without compromising functionality. Key features: barrel length 5 inches, overall length 8.1 inches, capacity 18+1 or 20+1, extended magazine. Trigger, premium flat-faced competition-ready trigger. The Rival Dark Side isn't just about looks. It's a competition-ready firearm with serious performance upgrades. Its Cerakote finish not only enhances durability, but also adds a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from other pistols. Equipped with all the features of the Rival series, including multiple optic plates, a flared magwell, and superior ergonomics, this pistol delivers exceptional value for competitive and recreational shooters alike. For collectors and competition shooters who want something truly unique, the Rival Dark Side is a must-have in 2024.